Welcome. My name is DOOGEE S40 and today I will show you how to hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. There we go. And from here, scroll all the way down to System, then select Advanced and choose Reset Options, where you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset. Click on it, it gives you a message that performing this will remove everything provided right here. So if you want to keep any of those stuff, do backup on those data before you begin, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done the backup, or you simply don't want to, click on Reset Phone and then do that once more by tapping on Erase Everything, and this will begin the process. And this device isn't necessarily the fastest one, so reset right here might take several minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.